Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, and if you are new here, hi, my name is Natasha and it's fantastic to have you here. For today's video, we are unboxing and taking a look at the Houseplant Tarot by Minerva Seigel, illustrated by Andrea Campos. So this is a brand new release published by Ulysses Press, retailing for $24.95 in the US and $33.95 in Canada. So we have a tuck box. Calling all plant parents. Celebrate your favorite houseplants from cute cacti to fiddle-leaf figs with the indoor plant themed twist on the classic tarot card deck and guidebook. So it's the 78 cards. Yay! All right, cute. I can get out of there. Oh, we missed one. All right. Cute. I am a houseplant nut, so hopefully this is adorable because I was so excited when this was announced. All right, let's take a look real fast at the guidebook. See if there's anything important that we need to know. We do have a table of contents. Yay. Okay. So it's based upon the Rider-Waite-Smith. Swords becomes the cacti. Cups becomes the succulents, wands become the flowering plants, and the pentacles, the potted trees. All right. Not all succulents are cacti, but all cacti are succulents. Yes. Okay, then we have planting new seed spread. Letting yourself bloom. And then it goes into the meanings of the cards. I like that this is like a bound book here, because a lot of the times when you are getting a tuck box deck, the guidebook is like a little paper pamphlet. So that was cool to see. All right. I am already here for this. This is cute. Very minimalistic, very, I'm going to say basic, but not in a negative way. The cardstock is pretty thin. It doesn't snap back very quickly, so we'll see how it shuffles. It's a little bit glossy, but not terribly. There's like a slight hint of the gloss to it. I'm excited to see what the guidebook has to say about these plants, because that would be fun to see the correlation between why it was chosen for the card and its relation to the energy of the card. I love this. Mother of millions. Cute. Is that a sago palm? This could be very difficult for beginners. Okay, I love this. So this is the coral cacti. And if you look close, you can see the difference between the top and the stalk, right? So this is actually merged together. They're two separate plants. It's a dragon fruit plant and a succulent, and they're merged together with this split here. And splicing, I think that's what it's called. So that's very interesting to see as the lovers. I like a palm for the strength card. They're very durable. Cute. And so that's an air plant. Basically, they like to be left alone. Spritz them with water and then leave them alone. That's cute. This is very, very minimalistic. So again, like I said, If you don't know your plants as well as the tarot, oh, that's fun. It might be a little bit difficult to read with if you are a beginner or don't know your house plants. It might not make sense. With fiddly figs, man, they can be very temperamental. String of hearts. It's interesting that it's the devil. Cute. I can never keep a string of hearts alive. I have one clinging on for dear life right now. It's pretty. Oh, it's called a moon cactus, so that's very clever. I actually have one that is doing well, surprisingly. Oh, I love that the Monstera is the sun. So this has to be one of my favorite plants. I have like 5 of them in my house. Each one in various degrees of health, we'll say. I have one of these too. I have 2 of these. And they're both Christmas cacti, I believe, because they bloom around there. There's an Easter, a Thanksgiving, and a Christmas. Very similar, but different kind of spikes. Oh, I just realized there's a sword up top, so that will be helpful. They said, no, I'm done with it. I don't want it anymore. It's an interesting pot for that. Oh, I love that. The flowers around. Some of you might comment on the different background colors too. That might be distracting for you as well. It's distracting me, to be honest. Cute. I've tried to have so many of these, but they just die on me. If they don't have a node, then they don't ever grow any other little hearts. They just stay this size until it's time for them to move on. We're getting plant education too. Wow. Aloe is amazing. I have a lot of aloe in my house. I'm quite clumsy in all areas of my life, so I like to keep an aloe plant in my kitchen area. So if I burn myself, I can snip a little bit off of my aloe plant and immediately get some relief. Oh, I have one of these too, ponytail palms. They're fun. Oh, this one's fun too. Have a similar one in my backyard. I have a lot of these too. Okay, so all of the knights are going to have a similar pot. Oh, beautiful. All right, we are in the wands now. That looks like a goldfish plant. I have one of those too. Oh, we got a peace lily. I have one of those. I've had multiple over the years, but some of them don't like where I've put them, so I cycle through plants sometimes. Pretty. Looks like jasmine, although I could be very wrong. Oh, orchids. I love them. We have a love-hate relationship. Oh, that one has a different pot. Orange, yay. Pentacles. Yeah, I do appreciate the symbols up top and on the pots. Oh, that's fun. Oh, ficus. I have a variegated one. I love it. Drooping leaves. Is that a pear? Cute. Bonsai. Ugh, I was devastated when my bonsai died. I tried so hard to nurse it back to life too. Ginseng. I love my ginseng. I think that's what this is. They look like little tushies. The base of the tree plant. Banana plant. Fun. This looks like a birds of paradise. All right, let's see how it shuffles. It's a good size. Oh, pleasantly surprised. Okay. I was thinking it was going to be more of a nuisance since it was thin, but shuffles just fine. One more for good measure. Yeah, you know what? I don't have an issue with how it shuffles. I think it glides right through just fine. Rifle shuffling is fine. Yeah, no complaints. All right. So we're going to read for the Hanged Man here, which looks like the string of pearls, which I try so hard to keep alive. They just don't want to be in my house. All right. The Hangman, the string of pearls. Yay! So they do have the type of plant. Love that. So upright, the Hangman symbolizes a moment of pause and a change in perspective. Step away from the hurry-scurry of life and take a moment to see things in a whole new way. Reversed, you're feeling as stuck and stagnant as a string of pearls plant densely rooted in a too small pot. Break free from your usual routine and seek a change in scenery for a breath of fresh air. Okay, so it does look like there's a bit of information that of the plant relating to the cards, so that's great. You know, I'm going to be honest, I am not as impressed as I was hoping I would be with this. I'm a little bit disappointed. I like a little bit more consistency in my cards. So, you know, if the major arcana is all one way, I expect it to be, you know, similar borders or whatnot. However, I like a fun switch up. I like a little bit of uniqueness, but I feel like there's a lot lacking on each of these things, on each of the cards. It's fun, it's very cute, but I feel like it lacks some substance in there. Correct me if you feel like I am wrong, but I think it's fun, I think it's cute, I think it's definitely a collectible. It would make a fantastic gift for your friend or family member that loves tarot and plants. I think there could be some value in this, but as a beginner, this would be very frustrating, I feel, to work with. So I would love to see like more in depth with the guidebook. I would love to have like more information on the card, why they chose the plant, all of that in here. That would be beneficial, I think, as to why, okay, we chose this string of pearls because of this reason. But that would just be me. Let me know how you feel about this deck, because like I said, I feel like it could have been, it's just lacking a little bit of substance for me. I feel like it could have been amazing, but I feel like it left me more disappointed than excited. So let me know what you think down in the comment section below. Did this tick your boxes, or is this a hard pass for you? The reason why I was excited is because I do like Minerva Seigel's work, and again, your girl is a houseplant nut. So, you know, I thought, wow, this could be amazing, but I'm left a little disappointed here. So as always, thank you so much for hanging out with me. Don't forget to check all of the links in my description box where you can find me on socials, as well as my Etsy shop, and the links where you can purchase this should you want to legitimately. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell on your way out of this video. And thank you so much again for hanging out with me. I appreciate you guys so much. Have a wonderful rest of your day, and I will see you in my next video. Bye-bye.